In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Yelp account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect once your account is removed. Start by opening Yelp, either in your web browser or the app, and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the exact account you want to remove. If you have multiple profiles or have used different sign-in methods in the past, double-check the email or username shown so you don't accidentally close the wrong one. Once you're signed in, head to Yelp's Help Center. On the website, you can usually find it at the bottom of the page or within the menu. In the app, look for Help or Support in the settings. If you prefer, use the search bar and type Yelp Account Closure. This will bring up the official guidance from Yelp, which is always the most reliable place to start. From the Help Center results, open the Account Closure page. You're looking for a link or button labeled Close Account or Delete Account Request. The wording can vary slightly, but the idea is the same. On this page, you'll see information about what deleting your account means, including the fact that the action is permanent and removes your contributions, like reviews, photos, and other activity tied to your profile. Next, fill out the request form. Yelp typically asks for a reason for leaving and gives you a box for a short message. Keep it simple and clear. Something like, "I no longer use Yelp" is perfectly fine. You don't need to include any sensitive personal details here. The goal is just to communicate that you want your account closed. When you're ready, click Send or Submit to complete your request. You should see a confirmation screen indicating that your request has been received. In some cases, you may receive a follow-up message confirming the process. If you don't see anything right away, give it a little time and check your inbox, including your spam folder. Once processed, your account will be closed permanently. Your reviews, photos, and activity are removed from Yelp. Keep in mind that it can take a short while for changes to reflect everywhere, especially in external search results. If you had the Yelp app installed, you can uninstall it after you've completed the process and no longer need it. That's it. You've successfully requested deletion of your Yelp account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make the process clear and straightforward.